Introducing the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer, a modern icon with a legacy of adventure and innovation, presented by more Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat. But it's not just about luxury. The 2024 Wagoneer is built to tackle any terrain with confidence. Equipped with legendary 4x4 capability, 3 available 4x4 systems, and an available Quadra lift air suspension, the Wagoneer is ready for adventure, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the great outdoors. And when it comes to towing, the Wagoneer doesn't disappoint. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, you can bring along your boat, trailer, or whatever else you need for your next getaway. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and luxurious cabin designed to elevate your driving experience. Let the outdoors in with the available panoramic sunroof, offering breathtaking views and a sense of freedom on every journey. With seating for up to 8 passengers, the Wagoneer ensures that everyone rides in comfort, with ample legroom and premium materials throughout. Stay connected and in control with the advanced Uconnect system, featuring a large touchscreen display, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. Entertainment options are endless with the Wagoneer's multimedia features. Stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks seamlessly through the integrated apps, or connect your smartphone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for even more versatility. Safety is always a top priority, and the 2024 Wagoneer is packed with advanced driver assistance technologies to help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking, you can drive with confidence knowing that the Wagoneer has your back. So whether you're seeking luxury, capability, or both, the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer is ready to exceed your expectations. Schedule a test drive today at moreauto.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.